Hi, I'm Trey with TLG Peterbilt, and this is my 2020 389. So on our 2020 389, it comes with a PACCAR MX-13 set at 455 horsepower. And some of the things we do to go above and beyond on this truck is when we get the trucks in, we do a fresh PM service on the truck. So that means a fresh fluids change in the motor on the oil side, and we also put a fresh fuel filter on it. That way, whenever you first get the truck, you don't gotta worry about changing the oil. Our highly qualified shop goes through these trucks front to back, and that's another thing that helps us with these trucks is our service department is very strong and very educated. With the TLG roots that we have, we believe that education is a big part of our shop, so we're always trying to improve and go forward. So 455 on the horsepower, inspected front to back, you really can't ask for more. All right, so we're to the cab portion now, and it does have dual exhaust, but only one side's hooked up, but that's all right because it still looks the part. Let's go inside the cab. All right, now we're inside the cab. Some cool features on this is we got a full gauge package over here with low suspension, rear axle and front axle temperature. It's also got a fuel filter gauge to show you the percentage of where your fuel filter's at. I did forget to mention this truck has 363,000 miles, so that means it does qualify for our Red Oval program. Our Red Oval program is a program offered by PACCAR and Peterbilt. It's a way to extend a factory warranty on a used truck. So this truck has to meet a 160-point inspection to qualify for that warranty. So we will do that inspection in the shop to make sure the truck's up to par. Then you have an option of a 1-year 125 or a 2-year 250. We can add that on to any of these Peterbilts that you're seeing today. And then it also comes with a free 90-day chassis warranty, which is a great part for HVAC modules, window modules, any of the, like the radiator, the reservoirs, or the AC compressor, anything like that, that basic warranty will cover that. So it gives you a really good peace of mind. And this truck does have a clutch pedal and a 10-speed transmission, so that is another plus on this. We are able to outfit these trucks with PTO kits as well, so if you're wanting a PTO kit, don't be afraid to ask. All right, we've made it to the back half of the truck, so let's talk about from the cab back. You have twin 90-gallon fuel tanks, so you got quite a bit of fuel capacity, and as well as a room right here for that PTO tank if you're wanting to add it. Then we move back to suspension. We got low air leaf suspension on this truck. It's on probably 85% of the trucks we sell. It's a great suspension, good ride. And then you also got a 225-inch wheelbase. So that little bit longer ride, longer frame kind of makes the ride a little bit better and rides better. So also as well, we got the preferred ratio in the rear. It's a 3:36 ratio, so it's a nice pulling and cruising gear for down the highway. So you're not stuck at 64 miles an hour. Again, my name is Trey McDarris, and I work for TLG Peterbilt here in Springfield, Missouri. I want a chance to earn your business. Come in today, let me have your truck buying experience be a good time. I want to be honest and transparent with you through this whole process. So give me a call today, 417-818-4707. Thank you.